What the hell is that? Something's out there.
What is this? The soil looks freshly dug up. There's something buried here. A rusted box. It's strange. What could be inside?
What the hell is this thing? Footsteps? Who's out there? What is this thing? Come on, show me something. I don't like this. All right, box is here. Opening it now. What do we have here? What is all this? These photos, they're from years ago. Who buried them out here? Who is this? Looks like they've been gone for decades. Why here? Why now? I need to find out more about this. What was that? Hello? Is anyone there? I know I heard something out there. Show yourself! Through the thick mist, a tall shadow figure watches silently. Its presence is barely visible, yet it feels inescapable. It waits, observing every step. What the hell was that? Something moved over there! I'll try to check this out now. This is the exact location, but this photo is decades old. What? No, this can't be real. This is me. How is this possible? Standing right here, in this forest? What is this? No, this can't be real. I have to get out of here. I can hear you out there. Show yourself. What do you want? Come out now. Something's not right here. The air feels heavy. What in the world is that? It's watching me. Police! Stop right there! What is that? Show yourself! Stay back! Don't come any closer! Oh God, what are you? The fog moves violently, hiding the truth, but the shadow steps closer, emerging from the darkness between the trees. It draws near, its presence thickening the air, inescapable now. Dispatch! I'm in the forest! The suspect ran this way! It's too dark, the fog is everywhere! Branches everywhere, I can't see! Requesting backup, now! What the hell was that? It's getting closer, stay back! I have to get out of here! I see something up ahead. Ah, damn it! Photos! Gotta get up. Need these photos. In the fog between the trees, it watches, silently emerging from the shadows. An eerie, supernatural presence. What the hell is that? No, this can't be real. It's getting closer. The shadow moves unnaturally fast between the trees. It disappears into the darkness. The fog rolls in, swallowing the path. Go! Go now! Keep moving! Can't stop here! Almost there! It's gaining on me, I can feel it. It's right behind me, I have to keep moving. God, what is that thing? This fog is thick. Who's there? Show yourself! I can't see a thing out here. What is this? The ground is suddenly covered in old photographs. It's as if they've been here for years, waiting in the moonlight. What secrets do they hold? These photos go back decades. Different people, different places. Wait, the eyes. They're all looking in the same direction. This can't be a coincidence. What the hell? That's me, standing right there in the trees. How is this possible? I don't remember this at all. Who's there? I know you're out there. Show yourself! This isn't right. I can feel you watching. Damn it, where are you? It's right there in the fog. No, it's moving closer. It's right, spawn me. Oh, what the hell is this? Get back out! Stay away from me! Don't get near! Help! Somebody help me! The hell is that? No, stay back! It's getting closer!
The officer disappears into the darkness ahead. The flashlight on the ground is our only light. The fog is closing in. He's gone.
It's getting closer. Oh God, I can see its face. No, stay back, right here! Ah!
This is the recovered footage. The timestamp matches the incident. The officer moves through the area. The lighting is poor. There. The suspect appears in the shadows. The officer calls out. The confrontation begins. The metal lockbox is central to the case. We need to trace its contents. These scattered photographs are key pieces. They could link the suspects. Let's examine them closely under the lights.
Dozens of people, missing from different decades, all connected to the same forest. The patterns are undeniable. Something is drawing them there.
This is the last known photo of him, standing in the forest, alone. Who else was there? What really happened in those woods?
On the back of the photograph, a date is written. April 12th, 1954. This date changes everything.
This photo, it's from the old case files. Wait, this date, it's 3 days from now. And how is this possible?
I see it now. The pattern is clear.
A dark forest at sunset, where heavy fog drifts between the endless trees. As night falls, the mist thickens, enveloping the ancient woods in shadow.
In the depths of the forest, a shadow waits. Barely a silhouette, it stands silently. What secrets does it hold?
Here it rests, half buried in the earth, as if it was never moved. The forest keeps its secrets well. What lies within remains hidden, waiting for the right hands to unearth it once more. I checked this box last night. It was empty. But overnight, something changed. There's a new photo inside.
What is this place?
This photograph shows the missing officer standing deep in the forest darkness. He looks directly at the camera, as if waiting to be found. The officer stands frozen in the photograph, unaware of the tall shadow rising behind him. The fog consumes the forest, sealing their fate.